Tired of choosing between creative control and design speed? The AI design showdown between Anthropic's Claude Design and industry giant Figma is on. Claude Design is Anthropic's foray into AI-driven design, while Figma bolsters its platform with AI coding tools from OpenAI and Anthropic. From prompt to prototype, Claude Design streamlines the process, but how does its output compare to Figma's precision? Claude Design's speed is undeniable, but Figma's integration with Codex sets a new standard for design-to-code workflows. Imagine crafting a pitch deck in minutes with Claude Design, but will it replace the nuanced touch of a Figma-designed product? And if you're watching the Inference for the first time, and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. While Claude Design's pricing isn't fully transparent, its free tier and the value of speed might outweigh Figma's more transparent but potentially costly ecosystem. Claude Design innovates with AI, but Figma's tried and tested ecosystem is hard to beat for large-scale, collaborative projects. The Achilles heel of Claude Design is its dependence on high-quality prompts, and Figma's AI, while useful, doesn't replace human creativity. The verdict? Claude Design for lightning-fast prototyping, Figma for the heavy lifting of complex, collaborative design projects. That's the breakdown. Stay tuned to the Inference for more honest tool analyses. Hit subscribe for the next deep dive.